students, myself Paramjit Kaur, I welcome you all on Shri Siddhi Vinayak Educational Study Channel. Firstly, let's quickly we remembered what we learned in previous videos. We have learned parts of speech in previous videos. How many parts of speech? There are 8 main parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, and interjection. We have already discussed noun and pronoun. Today I am going to discuss third part of speech, that is verb. What is verb and the definition of verb? It is a main part of any sentence. Here, mean to say verb is an action and state of being. Action. Action mean to say activity that is performed by any subject. Got it? Action. It is an activity performed by subject, and state of being of the subject. State of being of the subject. In other words, state of being of the subject mean to say, in other words, state or situation of the subject. Mean to say state or situation of the situation of the subject. Action mean to say activity that is performed by a subject. Got it, students? What is the verb? Verb is a main part of any sentence, and verb is an action that is performed by a subject, and state of being of the subject, state or situation of the subject. Mean to say, let's look into examples to clear an action and state of being of the subject. Is here, he is running. What is the activity of subject? Running. So running is a verb. Got it? And example of state of being of the subject is, I am a boy. Here let's see what is the state of subject. State of subject is, situation or state of subject is a boy. Mean to say am. Am is a verb. Got it? Sorry. Let's see some more examples about an action and state of being of the subject. Action, that is activity of subject. Okay. Children, let's see some more examples. Children are reading books. Let's see what is the activity of children. Reading. So, reading is a verb. Okay. Got it, students? One more example will be here. She is riding a bicycle. In this sentence, what is the subject? Subject is she. Okay. And what is the activity of subject? Activity of subject is riding. So, action, it's the action of subject. So, riding is verb. Got it, students? Next, state of being of the subject. What is the state of being? State verb. State verb, state or subject of the verb. State or situation of the verb. Okay, let's see some more examples. She feels happy today. What is the situation of the subject? What is the situation of the subject? She is the subject, and what is the situation of subject? Feels. So, feels is verb. Got it, students? And another example, he is a policeman. What is the state of subject? What is the state of subject? Subject statement is he is a policeman. Okay. So, is a verb. Okay, students, I hope you are getting me. Next, there are two main parts of verb. Main verb and auxiliary verb. Okay. What is the main verb? Words that actually shows the action. The words shows the words actually shows the action or activity of subject. What is the main verb? The words actually shows the action or activity of subject. Mean to say, example, activity, read, write, play, come. For example, words that shows activity or action of a subject. Okay, let's see some examples. Example of main verb: the sun shines. What is the activity of sun? Shines. So shine is main verb. Okay. The dog barks. What is the activity of dog? Barks. Here the dog is subject and barks is main verb. Okay. And shines is main verb. Got it, students? Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary or helping verb. Second main part is auxiliary or helping verbs. They give more meaning. Auxiliary verb, the words that give more meaning to the main verb. The words auxiliary verbs or the helping verbs are the words that give more meaning to the main verb. Okay? That give the more meaning to main verb. Example is, am, are, has, had, do, did, does. Okay? Mean to say, the main verbs stand alone. Main verbs stand alone. It is not stand, cannot stand alone. It comes with main verb. Okay? It comes with main verb. Got it, students? Here, some more examples. These are the main auxiliary verbs. Is, am, are, has, had, do, did, does. These are main auxiliary verbs. Okay, students? here some more auxiliary verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. These are the modal auxiliaries. We can say that these verbs, helping verbs, are the modal auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs. Got it, students? Sorry. Here, some more examples with sentence we will discuss auxiliary or helping verb. Example: the bus may stop. Let's see. In this example, may is a helping verb. Got it, students? Or a auxiliary verb. And stop is also a verb and it is a main verb. Got it? Here will she will come. In this example, will is a auxiliary verb and come is a main verb. Okay, students, what we learned in this video, we learned verbs, okay, and the types of the verb, and the main parts of the verb, helping verb or main verb. Got it, students? I hope you got it very well. Thanks and have a nice day.